Welcome student once again in demand draft. We will do today a very small question but very important in demand draft, that is encashment of demand draft. Up to second lecture of demand draft, I think student you are clear that the demand draft have a three party drawer, drawee and payee. Actually, who is having the demand draft, that person can go in the bank and deposit that demand draft or give the demand draft to the bank branch, and that person receive the money. So simple. The person who received the demand draft has to present the draft to his or her bank branch. Same way, the person means here the payee is a person who is having the demand draft, so that payee can take the money from the bank. The bank asks for specific documents to initiate the payment procedure. If that person want the money, then that person have to present some document related to the account. That document like Aadhaar card, PAN card, etc. This document he have to give to the bank and he can get the money. Third, once the documents are verified, the amount is transferred to the bank account of the individual, a very same way like a check, where the check is deposited into the bank and the customer or the person get the money into the account. But here only difference is that in the check and demand draft, that a check is a handwritten and demand draft is a printed one. Last one, for government and non-government institution, draft are cleared by the bank clearing mechanism. Student, you already knowing from last lecture that in a demand draft case, one bank is issuing the demand draft and another bank is actually giving the payment of the demand draft. Means there are always two banks are involved, or one bank or same branch also can be involved. In our example, we have the taken example of SBI and HDFC. Suppose SBI has given the demand draft and this demand draft is deposited in the HDFC bank. So there are two banks involved. So banking transaction is clear with the two bank only. So it is called as clearing mechanism. Everything is very similar to check. There is nothing different procedure of encashment of demand draft. But this question is asked in the paper. So you can write down the procedure of encashment of check also, which is similar to the demand draft. Thank you student. Thank you very much.